Today we're going to talk about Anne. Anne is the giant whose shoulders we all stand on. Anne has a presence in many different places. She's in the laboratory, she's with the family organization, she's with researchers, she's with physicians. She helped us to identify peroxisome disorders. She's really been quite prolific in the things that she's done in the lab. She was really the leader in a lot of this work. The other thing she does really well is to bring together scientists, physicians, and family groups, and she has had input into numerous meetings over the years. She drove newborn screening for X-linked adrenal leukodystrophy to a successful beginning. She's been a strong colleague and a collaborator to so many people, a role model for young investigators. And what I like best about Anne is that she brings out the best in all of us. She reminds us that we're stronger together. Anne, we appreciate all of your input and your contributions.